Okay. Good evening, everyone. Shall we start? Okay. In our previous lecture, we discussed about HTML link. In that day, we talk about there are three categories of the HTML link. Internal links, local links, and global links. Also, we talk about another attribute called ID attribute. And we create internal links using the ID attribute. ID attribute, and also we followed this example anchor tag, and also give internal links using the ID attribute like this. ID equal and ID name, and also link it into the anchor tag using href. We denote that link using the hashtag. No? I think that link is clear. Today we discuss about another attribute. It is like a IT attribute. It's a very close to the ID attribute because the same properties here. It is the ID attribute. You can see the name attribute. When the name attribute is used, the element, anchor element, defines the named anchor inside in the HTML element. This attribute is used for name some element in our HTML structure, and it is very useful for link to our some location of our web page. The name anchor are not displayed in any special way. They are invisible to the reader. This attributes also not displayed in our client side. It is a normal. It is like an ID attribute. This is the syntax of the named attribute. You can see this is a anchor tag, and also it name as label, and this is a content, and also this is the clause tag, clause anchor tag. And we can use this name and name attribute for link our HTML page as an internal link. This is this link syntax to a named anchor. You can see this syntax anchor tag. This is a strip tag, and also we define this href using the hashtag. You can see this is a hashtag and label. It is similar to the name of this anchor tag. This name is given to this place. You can see And also this is a close tag. We can clear this name attributes in a example. This is an example. You can see we can go to our web page firstly, and also we try to give try to create name attribute and link name attribute using the href tag. Okay, open your web page, go to your folder. You can see this is my first and second practice web pages. I open this page, and also I open this page in Notepad++. Okay. Firstly, we create the another link using anchor tag. This example, you can see this is an anchor tag, and also it uses the href attribute and create the section 1 name, and also use the hashtag. We follow this syntax. Okay, I want to create link in here. You can see this is my heading 1. I want to create the link in this place. So I go to my heading 1. That's my heading 1. This is my heading 1 area. Okay. Now I create the A tag and also href tag equal, in the double quotation I put hashtag, and you can give any name. I given section 1. Next I close my double quotation sign. Then I put some text. Go to the link section 1, and also I change this text as a click here to go to the link section 1. Then I close my A tag. Now you can save your page. Then you have to create another link, but in this link we use the name attribute. this is the name attribute, and this is same name, section 1, and also this is the section 1. You have to put same name in these both places. Then I go to my fourth paragraph or last of your page. This is my example for code element. I create link to this place. So I create a tag and give a name attribute and equal, in the double quotation I'll put the section 1. Then I close my tag. Okay, link to section 1, and I close the anchor tag. Okay, now you can save your web page and open your web page and click on this place. Now you can see it link go to the our web page, bottom of this page. You can see this is our link location. No? This is our link, and when we click on this link, you can go to the link. We use this link using the name attribute. It's a very simple method. Okay. Try to follow this code and create the link using the name tag. Do you have any questions? Oh, is it clear? You have to try this code with this time, not the another time. You can practice this every code in our class time, because we have to discuss our questions and your problems and all the things we can discuss this time. So every point you have to get in our lessons. Okay, can you create another link using the name attribute? You have to create link. You have to create a link in before your first paragraph. It should be linked before your first paragraph. In this area, you can see this is my heading 6. You have to create a link in this place. The link name should be this link go to the bottom of the page. No. You can follow this method. This is the method. You can see this link go to the bottom of the page, and also you have to create another link in the bottom of the page. It should be go to the top of the page. Okay, you have to create. You can see this is the Open University of Sri Lanka. After this text, you can create link. Name is this link go to the top of the page. Okay, and when we click in this link, you have to create link in your web page. Yeah, it should be linked into top of our page. You can create link area in this image or in any other area. However, it should be go to your top of the page. Can you try this? Create another link in this area. After the Open University of Sri Lanka text, you can create, go to the top of the page. Go to the top of the page. And I change this link name. This is the top of the page. I change this name like this. Go to the open. This is this link created using the ID attribute. So we can change this name, this link, create using ID. Now page is it's changed. Now you can click link text as a click on this text, go to the top of the page or any text you can use. And also I would like to see your code. Okay, everyone should be display your screen. Share your screen. I think others very like to see your code. Okay. Okay, I would like to ask one by one. Amita, can you share your screen? Did you finish?
Sir, sorry, I can't share my screen because of my mobile cam is broke.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, we'll go to the another one. Who can share your screen? If you someone finished, anyone can share your screen. Who can share the screen? Veerasena, did you finish? Tamara?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Can we show you a screen and go to your web page?
So I can't share my
Share your
screen.
screen? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now you can try.
Okay, sir.
Okay, click your link. Okay, it comes to your top of your page. Nah? Very good. Can you show your code in? Okay. Can you show your code in? This is our page. How do you create this link?
So can you see the code?
No, we see your web page.
Okay, so wait a minute.
Okay. Okay, now you can we can see your page.
Yes.
In your last 82 line, you created
Yes, sir.
the link, and then it go to your top of the page. You ask the top of your code. Okay, in the top of your page. Okay, it using the name attribute. Na? Everyone
Yes, sir.
can see this code. This is the correct code. Have you any questions to others in this code? Okay, now you can stop your sharing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think all of you can clear this activity.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay.
Sir, name attribute is not working, sir.
Your name attribute is not working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You
href
have.
is.
Okay. Tell what?
href is working.
Okay, you have to follow this method. When you create the link using the name attribute, you can follow this method. You can create a tag and href link. In bottom of your page, you have to use href link. Then we should have put this symbol hashtag. I give the section 2 to this section 2. Section 2. Then I close my double quotation and I put some text. This link go to top of the page. Then I close my anchor tag. Now you can see this is this link is complete. Now you have to give another link using this section 2 name. I go to my top of my page. In here you can see I create another link, a tag. In this a tag we use the name attribute. You can see this is name attribute. Then we have to give same name, section 2. Now I give some text. This is top of the page, Then I close my a tag. Okay, in this method we have firstly we give our anchor tag using the href attribute. In the href attribute we have to give name, give href name using the hashtag section 2. You should have to give the name also with this place. You can see the same name here. No? Now we save my file. Then I refresh my page. Now you can see this is our bottom of the area of our web page, and this is our new link. I click this link and you can see it go to the top of the page. You have to follow this code.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And also you can show your screen. Can you show your screen? We can identify your trouble. Shall I stop my share my screen? Then you can share your screen.
Sir, I join my phone. Sir, show laptop screen.
Oh, can you show? Oh, okay, no problem. Okay, Kavisha,
sir.
try to correct your code. If you have any problem, you can ask me again. I'll continue the next lesson.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can try your code using our code. Then you have to any problem, you can ask again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. We again we can go to another new lesson. Is the block and inline elements. Block and inline elements. We in a previous lecture we practiced the div tag. Div tag. This is the div tag. The div tag is a block element because we can connect several tags using the div element. I think everyone know about this tag, and we did some example using the div tag. And the div tag is the block element because it connects several tags, and also have the inline elements. Inline elements. It means it using in the only one tag. You can see if you want to change your text style. If you want to change your text style, you can see this is the example using the inline element. This is the paragraph tag. You can see this is the p tag and this is the close p tag. You think you want to change your font color only this three text, the same paragraph, but in the last three text you have to change your font color into the red color. How we create this problem? You can change. You can use this area. You can you can use in this area. You can see this is a span tag. It is a inline element. Span tag is a inline element. It's using in the one of the tag. One only using in only one of the tag, not the several tag. In one of the tag. This is the p tag. This is this one is. It's like this text. Then in this area you can see span tag is here. Span tag because it is the inline element. Then given to the color as a red and also font color. Then close the span tag. Then close the p tag. You can get this output using this tags and or this coding. I want to go. I want to give this point. Block element is using in the several tags, but in the inline element use in the only one tag. And also you can see block elements act as there is a break before and after them. And also div is a block element. It is a block element. And also we can say like this. Other block elements are table. The table is another block element because the table element can have another tags in the table tag. You can in this future lessons you can learn about the table tag. This is also the block tag. An HR tag, headings tag, center tag, or all of these are the block elements because we can use in this tag another tags here, the several tags in this tag. But in the inline elements don't break the text before and after them, and span is inline element. Most of HTML elements are inline. Example, anchor element. You know, in HTML we learn about several tags. Most of the tags are in the inline element, not the block element. Okay, this is the example for div tag. This is the example for div tag. You can see this is a div example. This text is the division of the division sum area. This is the code div element. This is the syntax for add this color and font size and align center. You can see there are 3 attributes here: align, style, and color it. There are 3 attributes here, no? And this is the our text. This is our text div example. Then close the div tag. You can see this preview like this. Then you need to give change color in part of your sentence. This one is only a text, but in the last 3 words you can see it's change into the red color. In this example we can use the span element. It is the inline element. You can see this is p tag, then this one is then given to the span element in this area. This is only a text. It changed into the red color. And close span tag and close p tag. This is the method for div and span element. Okay, now we go to try some example using the div and span element. Okay, open your second page. This is our first page. We go to our second page. This is our page, second.html page. Okay, I open the second.html in my web browser. Say as you can open this page in the same web browser. I click here and this is our page. Okay, now you want to change this text into the red color using this code. Okay, div, like a div example text. Okay. Okay, you can go to your page and we want to change our car collection style into the red color. So I give to div tag in this area. You can see this is my div tag, and also I give close div tag in here. Okay, now you want to change style. Change style. Into like this. Style. You can use these properties. Font size into 24 into the 24. Also color into the red. Font size into the 24. Also color into the red. Okay. In the block elements, we can cut our close block element and put this area. You can see in our div open and div close tag, between this tag, you can see the H1 car collection, our heading. It's here. Now I save my file and I refresh my page. You can see it changed into the red color. It is using the div tag because it is the block element. Also, you can cut this close tag and you can put in this area. And also I save my file and refresh my page. You can all the text within the div close tag and div open tag, it change into the red color because it is the block element. Now I again put it to our after our head H1 tag. Then I save my file. I again save my page. You can see this is a car collection. Okay, can you try this example? Open your second.html page in the Notepad++. Then change your first heading car collection into the red color. Okay. Then I want to change your text colors in a by collection heading. This by text should be in the black color, and collection text color should be into the white color. Okay, now you can use the span tag into the H1 tag. Okay, now you can see I use the span tag because it is the inline tag, and also I put again close span tag here. Then I want to change text color into the white. Now I put the style tag. Then color should be white. Okay. Now I save my file, and this is my page, and you can see this is the black color, and collection text change into the white color. Okay, try to change this color into the white color using this span tag. Okay, Did you this activity? Are you finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I ask question from you, everyone. Can you do this same method? Can you do this same activity using the another method? You can see we change in the H1 font color. First text color is the black, second is the white. In this activity, we use the span tag. Na? Can you try to this same activity using the another method? How do we use this activity using the another method? Try to do this. Come to the food collection title, and can you try this? Change this collection text into the white color, but not using the span color. You can use another method to change the collection text into the white color. Okay, this is you can see this is our H1 food collection. No? It's like a bike collection. This is a food collection. You have to change collection font color into the white color, but using another method. Who can give the answer? Okay, we can follow this method to change this text into the white color. Think this is our H1 tag. In this area, you can use the font color, né? Font tag. And also I put the closed font tag in this here, in here. Now I want to change font color into the white font color. How do we change font color using the font tag? What is the attribute?
Style, sir.
This is the font. Now we are in the font tag. Okay.
Font type.
Fonts, you know, font. When we use the font tag, we can use in some attributes to change size, color, like this. Not using the style tag. Can you remember the font at color attribute? Okay, this is you can see this example. This is our P tag. This is our font tag. Na? In this here, we use the face for change font style, and color attribute used for change color. Also, you can use color attribute here. We change white. Now we want to change white color. Now we save our page, and the same style in the bike collection and food collection in different methods. This is using the font color. This is the bike color. The span tag is one of the inline element. Also, font tag is another inline element. Sorry, font tag is not the inline element. It is the block element, because you can close this. You can cut this close font tag, and I paste into this area. You can see I save my page. Then I paste in this here. Shall we try this? You can see all these text change into the white color, because it is the block element. It is not the inline elements. It is the block element. Okay, now I again paste into here. Okay, now we are going to another new lesson. Aligning images. Aligning images. Now we need to add image in our paragraph. You know the syntax for how to add image. This is the syntax for adding add images into our page. This is our P tag. You can see this is the P tag, and an image. This is the text, paragraph text. You can see preview of the text, and this is the paragraph. Then insert in this area img tag. This is the image. Then another text here. It represents this text. And then close the paragraph tag. You can see this is our image. It have 3 attributes: src attribute, width attribute, and height attribute. This is a img tag. img tag not use the close img tag. It is a single tag, img. This tag is used for add image in our page. And also this img tag use attribute, its name src. src means source. It's a source attribute. Then we need to give our image name or path in this area. This is the syntax for img tag. Okay. Now in this web page, we use one of the image in here. We have to give another image in this area. You can see this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth paragraph. We have to add the image in into this paragraph. Begin of the paragraph and center and the end of our paragraph. We have to put some image in this paragraph. Okay, now you can move your folder. This is my practical file folder, and this is my 6.jpg image. It is a small size image. You can see 320 by 269 image dimension of this image. It is a small size than other images. These are bigger than the this image. So I try to put this image in my fourth paragraph. Okay. I go to my first .html page. This is my first paragraph, and this is the second, and this is the third, and this is the fourth paragraph. No? Okay. Now I come into this area, and I put img tag in here, and and in the img tag I give the src attribute. Then I need to give 6.jpg image. 6.jpg. Now we can review our page. You can see this is our page. How I change my image size? We can use the width and height attribute. Width attribute I put 200 pixels and height value is the 200 pixels. 200 pixels. You can see now it should be smaller. With height, we have to save our file and then I refresh my page. And also you can try add image into your page, first.html page, then change image size into 100 pixels because 200 is bigger. So I change into the 100 pixels. Okay, firstly, try to add another image in your first.html page using this method. Okay, in our first example, you can see this is the code for this. This is code for this preview. Because when you want to add image in middle of your paragraph, you can place img tag in the middle of the paragraph. This is our p tag. This is our sum of the text our paragraph. Then it is in the paragraph. Then this is the last text in our paragraph. You can preview like this. And also you need to get preview like this. You can see this is in the middle of the paragraph. This is begin of the paragraph. Then this is end of the paragraph. How do we align this image in our paragraph? Center and left area and right area. You can use this method. This is our first example. This is the first preview. And also in this example, you can see img tag is begin of the paragraph. img tag is in the beginning of the paragraph. This is img tag. Then paragraph is start in this point. You can see this is the end of the text. And also in the third preview, you can see in the after the image, after of the paragraph, you have to preview your image. This is the P tag, and also this is the paragraph here. In after of the paragraph, in this image is end of the paragraph. You can see this is the img tag. This is the end of the paragraph. This is one of the method, align image or wrap image with the paragraph. Okay, we can try this example. This is our page, and okay, now I change this value into the 75 pixel, and also this is 75 pixels because I want a small image. Now I save my file. You can see this is our paragraph. Now I cut this tag in this area. I cut this tag and go to middle of the paragraph. Then I paste the img tag and then save my file and reload my page. You can see this is in the middle of our paragraph. You can put any area in our paragraph. I cut this here and paste into this place. Now I save and refresh my page. You can see this is in the middle of the paragraph. It is not the separate paragraph or image. It is wrapping with the paragraph. You can see it is wrapping with the paragraph. Okay. Now I go to my second example. I want to preview my image begin of my paragraph. So I cut this img tag in here and paste into the begin. Now I refresh my page. You can see this is begin area. And also you can change image into end of our paragraph. I cut this image in here, then I go to my end of my paragraph, then I paste my paragraph again. Now again I refresh my page. You can see it is now it is in the end of my paragraph. Okay. Try to put image into middle of your paragraph and begin and end. Try to change your image location. Okay, now I again cut this img tag in here and put into begin of the image. Okay, now you can see, and also I save my file and go to my page and refresh my page. Now you can see our image in the beginning of our paragraph. You can follow same thing using the image floating or image aligning using the align attribute. This is the align attribute. This attribute has two values, left value and right value. You can see this is the right value and this is the left value. You can do same thing using this attribute, align attribute. This is preview for this. This image is the left side, but you can see this is floating in our paragraph. Shall we try this using this example? I put the align attribute. Now I give value left. Now I save my page and go to my web page and save my page. And also I put the right align. Then I save my page. You can see this image in the right side. Okay, we can do same thing using this attribute, align attribute. I again go to the left attribute and refresh my page. And also you can see a small difference in this attribute. Okay, now you can see this is my fourth paragraph. Fourth paragraph. The image float in all the paragraph in the top of the paragraph and bottom of to the paragraph. That's why it is. That's why we call it floating. Also, I change into right alignment. Right alignment. You can see this preview. It is floating in our paragraph. But I remove this attribute and save my file. Now you can see the difference. This is in our beginning of the paragraph, but not the floating. It is normal beginning of the paragraph. It is not the floating. When we give align attributes into this point, left, in the align left, you can see the difference. Now it is floating. Can you get this point? Okay, try this. Try to add align attribute and give values left and right. Then see the preview how to change it as the floating image. Okay, I will give you the time for practice this attribute. Try to change align into the left and right, and image tag into the begin of the paragraph and end of the paragraph. Okay, have you any questions? Okay. Okay, now our next new title is the adjust image to different sizes. Okay, we know how to adjust our images. When you want to image into the bigger image, we change our width attribute and height attribute. Do you want to bigger into the bigger image using the same size? It means it should be height value and should width value should be same number. You can see this is the 20 and this is the 20, and also width here 45 and this is the 45, and 70 to 70. when we change width and height value using the same number, you can change your image to the bigger image. You can see this is the smaller because it should be changed width and height value using the same number. You can make the picture larger or smaller, change the values in the height and width attributes of the image tag. Okay. Okay, try to okay. In this example, we change our image into the 75 into the and height into the 75. Also, we can change this value into the 150 or 150. You can see your image get bigger. Also, you can change this into the 50, and also it is into the 50. It is smaller, and also it is a symmetrically smaller, no? But one side it is a symmetrically smaller or bigger. That's why we change two values, height and width. Okay, now we want to change image into a hyperlink. How to hyperlink? How to create hyperlink using the image? That's another new lesson. Make a hyperlink of an image. In our previous lessons, we create the hyperlink using the text. No? Also, we can create hyperlink using the image. You can see this is the code. This is HTML structure, HTML, body, p tag. You can also use any image as a link. This is a sample paragraph text, and this is the A tag, and also it is the href attribute, and this is last page.html. It's linked to another HTML page, but using the img. This is our img tag. It represents our link, and this is the A close tag, and also p tag likewise. Now we will try to create a link using the image. Okay, we can get another image for this example. Okay, shall we get this image 3.jpg image? It is on the another folder, img folder. When we use another folder or other folder for represent our images or display our images, we have to put image path. No? Okay, I come to my first paragraph. Okay, you can see these links using the text. Now I want to create link using the image. I like to create in this area link. This is a heading 6. After the heading 6, this is a heading 6. After the heading 6, we can put anchor tag href. equal this link to second.html page. Second.html page. Now I close my image, and also this is my close anchor tag. Now I put some text here. I am image. I put some text. Now our preview is like this. Right? This is a young img. This is a text. In this example, we want to create image into the link, not a text. So we have to put img tag into this area. Img tag. Img. And src attribute. This is a src attribute. Every img tag is every time with the src attribute. Now I want to give my image path name. I want to give this image, and this is my folder path. You can get this folder path. I copy this folder path and put in here, and then we need to add our image name. No? Our image name is 3.jpg. 3.jpg. And also I change my image width. It is 50. I create the smaller image, 50 pixel image, and height also same size, 50 pixels. Okay, I save my file and go to my page and refresh my page. You can see this now. This is our it changed into image. And now our mouse pointer change into the hand tool when we go to one of our image. You can see in the mouse over active into the hand tool. Okay, try to change this link as an image using this tag. Okay, have you finished? Or have you any questions? Okay, Veerasena, SN Veerasena. Can you get your preview? Tamara, Ajmer, Kavisha. If you have any questions, please ask me in this time. Okay. Okay, now I move to the next new lesson. It is the marquee tag. Marquee tag. Marquee tag. If you want to create animated text or moving text, you can use the marquee tag. You can, I think you use, so the some text in animation type, in the left to right or top to bottom, like this. This animation create using the marquee tag. The marquee tag is a container tag of HTML is implemented for creating scrollable text. Scrollable means go to the left to right, or right to left, or top to bottom, or bottom to top, like this. Scrollable text or images within a page, web page, from either left to right or vice versa, to top to bottom or vice versa. This is the marquee tag property. But this tag has been deprecated in the new version of HTML5. Normally, in the HTML5, using new tags. In the marquee tag is a very latest tag, but normally we talk about this tag. This is an example for marquee tag. You can see the keyword is marquee. Also, we can give attribute with attribute and direction and height. This is some attributes of the marquee tag. Also, this have very important attributes: behavior attribute, direction, scroll amount, like this. Okay, firstly we shall we add the marquee tag into our first.html page. Okay, now come to your first.html page. First.html page. In my top of the HTML page, I create marquee tag. Marquee tag. Marquee tag. And also I create close marquee tag. close marquee tag. Now you can see this is marquee open and close tag. And I give another text in this area. It is head 1 tag. It is in the head 1 tag, H1 tag. The Open University of Sri Lanka. Open University of Sri Lanka. And I close H1 tag here. Now I save my page and refresh my page. You can see the scrollable text into right to left. Right to left. This is a marquee text. Now we want to change marquee tag, marquee attributes. Okay, firstly, can you put the marquee tag in your first.html page? And also I change the H1 into the H3 because H1 is a very bigger. So I change H1 into the H3 tag. So I save my page. This is H1 tag. Okay. Now I give a width attribute into the marquee tag. This is a width value 60%. 60% mean in your entire page is 100%. Now your marquee tag implement in the 60% in our web page. Now I save my file again and refresh my page. You can see this is active in the 60% of our page. And also you want to create 80%, you can see like this. The starting point is 80%. Also direction. Now I give another attribute, direction. 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 Go to the direction into the up. Shall we try this because this haven't And again, I save my file. You can see the direction change into the up. Also, you can give to the down value. Shall we give to the down value? You can see it is into the down value. And I again give to the value as a right. And I save my file, and it is right to left. It is the direction property, not a property, not attribute. And I give to another attribute, scroll amount. Scroll amount. I gave the value 1. Now I save my file and refresh my file. You can see scrolling speed changing. It is now slow, no? And I change the value into 2. Now it is speeder than in the previous value. If you want to change your speed, you can give a large value. I put the value 5. Now I save file. Have some scroll amount. We put some error here. It is dash symbol. Now I save my file. Okay, now it's changing into the very slow scroller amount value. When you want to slow in your market text, you have to give a smaller value. When you give bigger value, you can change your speed of the scroll text. If you want to faster your scrolling text, you can put bigger value, the number 5. Now you can see it is speed than the first value. Okay, have you any questions? Okay. And shall we give to another value behavior? It is a scroll. I will give another attribute. It is named behavior. Behavior. Scroll behavior. And also you can you can see that this is the different attributes of market tag. You can see this is the behavior attributes. You can behavior attribute provides the scrolling type in a marquee. That scrolling can be sliding, scrolling, or alternate. This attribute has have three values: sliding, scrolling, and alternate. This is a scroll value. I save my file, then I refresh my file. You can see this is the scroll, left, right to left. Now I want to slide in. I put the slide in value. Slide in. You have to give this value, slide in. Now I save my file, and I also refresh my page. You can see now my text again is scrolling, slide in. I'll change into the scroll again and refresh again. It's have some error. Behavior. Okay, now I again change it into the alternate. Okay, now you can see this is the behavior type alternate. It change into, it is very different in the scrolling or sliding. Now it is it shows the alternate type. I think there are some errors, sliding or scrolling type. This is alternate is active in this web browser. Okay, try to use this attribute for market tag. You can see there are different attributes using in the market tag: direction, scroll delay, scroll amount. You can see scroll delay and scroll amount. Also loop attributes, background color, and vertical space. It attribute is a VS space, vertical space, and also have the horizontal space. You can follow and practice these all attributes in the market tag. Okay, try to follow these attributes in your it's the homework. Try to follow these all the attributes. Okay, have you any questions? Okay, now we end up our today lesson. We will meet again Thursday at 5 p.m. I will give WhatsApp message in our WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, shall we stop today class? Okay, good night all.
Thank you, sir. Good night.